Konnichiwa o genki desu ka? Genki desu. Genki desu anata wa. Okay. So basically this is a common phrase in Japanese. Konnichiwa o genki desu ka? Genki desu. Genki desu. Genki desu anata wa. Okay. So guys, welcome to Japanese Club. So today I will explain to you the conversation again. For example, you go to Japan, okay, and you go to a retail shop. In retail shop, you want to buy a sandwich, okay. So you ask about, I want to buy this, I want this. Then the shopkeeper maybe asks to you, may I want this? Because sandwich that's a cold. So if you want to eat it, you have to heat it out, okay. So we'll ask you, may I want this? You will say, yes, yes, please want this. I want to eat this. Okay. Then you will ask for the price, like what is the amount of this? How much I have to pay? Do you have change? Then you will say, do you like chopsticks? Because in Japan, mostly we eat with the help of the chopsticks. So do you want chopsticks? You will say, no, no, I don't need chopsticks. So you'll say, you need a bag? Yes, yes, I need a bag. So how you can go for these type of conversation if you're in Japan? Okay. So let's watch this. Okay, so I hope this whiteboard is visible to you. Okay, so today we have the Japanese concept. Japanese conversation, like we have already discussed. Okay, so for example, you go to the retail shop, okay, and you ask like, uh, I want this. For example, you go to retail shop and you have seen the sandwich and you will say, I want this, or either I would like to buy this. If you say, I want this, so what you will say? Watashi wa, basically watashi is I, to speak up. Watashi wa, because this is a conversation we are doing, okay? Watashi wa korega. Watashi wa, speak up. Speak after me. Watashi wa korega hoshi. Speak up. So if you are saying, I would like to buy this, okay, I want this, so it means you are saying, I want this. So what you will say? Watashi wa, speak up, speak after me, okay? What you will say? Watashi wa korega hoshi. Watashi wa korega hoshi is, for example, you are in Japan, okay, and you want to buy something, and you say, I want to buy this. So what you will say? Watashi wa korega hoshi. Watashi wa korega hoshi. Okay, and you ask for a sandwich. You asked for a sandwich. For a sandwich. For example, you ask for a sandwich. What you will say? You ask. That is anata wa. Speak up. Anata wa. Okay. Sandwich is sandoichi. Now you asked for a sandwich. Anata wa sandoichi motomemasu. Speak up. Motomemasu. So this is a verb basically. Motomemasu. So for example, you asked for a sandwich. It means you asked. Anata wa sandoichi motomemasu. Anata wa, that's a sandwich. Okay? You ask for a sandwich. Anata wa sandoichi motomemasu. And you say, I want this. Speak up. Watashi wa korega hoshi. Speak after me. Watashi wa korega hoshi. Watashi wa korega hoshi is, I want this. Is that clear to you? So speak after me. Anata wa sandoichi motomemasu. You ask for a sandwich. Watashi wa korega hoshi. Watashi wa korega hoshi is, I would like to buy this and I want this. Is that clear to you? So you go to the market and you want to buy sandwich. You say, I want this. Watashi wa korega hoshi. And the shopkeeper asks you, because there's a sandwich, okay, and maybe you take out from the fridge, okay. So maybe the shopkeeper asks you, would you like to warm? Would you like to warm? Would you like to warm? So what you will say? Would you like to warm? So you will say atatame. Speak up. आता tame. Speak up, please. आता tame mas ka. Speak up. आता tame mas ka. So basically, आता tame mas ka. That's a question particle. So speak up. आता tame mas ka. If the shopkeeper is asking to you, आता tame mas ka. Speak up. आता tame mas ka is, may I go? Would you like to vomit? For example, you want to buy a sandwich, okay? So the shopkeeper asks to you, would you like to warm this? Would you like to vomit? May I vomit from the with the help of the oven, anything else? So what he will ask, like, "Aata tame mas ka?" So you will say, "Yes, please," because you want to eat this. And sandwich, because if the sandwich is hot, then it is very delicious to eat. With the cold sandwich, you don't like to eat, right? So you will say, "Yes, please." So what you will say, "Hi." Speak up. "Hi, onegai shimasu." Hi, onegai shimasu. So let's repeat the conversation again. For example, you go to the market and any the shop, like where you want to ask for a sandwich. So if you're asking for a sandwich, so what you will say? Anata wa sandwich motomemasu. So you will say, I want this. I want this. So what you will say? Watashi wa kore ga hoshi. So that shopkeeper is saying, would you like to warm this? Ata tame masu ka? You will say, yes, please. Hai, onegai shimasu. Is that clear to you? Yeah, made up this. Okay, now you'll ask from the shopkeeper, like, what is the price? What is the price? You ask from the shopkeeper, like, what is the price? You are asking, what is the price? So what you will say? Ikura desu ka? Speak up. Ikura desu ka? Ikura desu ka is whenever you're asking for the price. Like, what is the price? What is the price? For example, the shopkeeper will say 250 yen. For example, the shopkeeper will say that is 250 yen. So what he will say 250 in Japanese, that is ni yaku. Is that clear to you? Yeah, pen down please. Ni yaku gozu. Niyaku gozu. That is 250 yen. For example, you ask for the price. You will say ikura desu ka? So you will say that is 250 yen you have to pay. So niyaku gozu. And niyaku gozu. Okay. And you have given them 300 rupees. You have given them 300 rupees. So it means he has to give it to you 50 yen return. For example, again, you are asking, like, what is the price? Ikura desu ka? The shopkeeper will say that would cost you 250 yen. Ni hyaku gozu. Ni hyaku gozu is 250. You have to pay. Okay. So, for example, you paid them 300 rupees. Sorry, 300 yen. So 50 yen he has to return back to you. 50 yen he has to return back to you. So now the shopkeeper will say 50 yen is your change. 50 yen is your change. 50 yen is your change. So what it would be? 50 yen, speak up, gozu. Speak up, please. 50 yen is your change. Speak gozu in wa. 50 yen is your change. So what the shopkeeper will say? Gozu in wa anata no. Speak up, please. Gozu in wa anata no hinka desu. So for example, guys, you ask for the price. You will say ikura desu ka? So you will say ni hyaku gozu, that is 250 yen. So you have paid them 300 yen. So 50 yen he has to return back to you. So he will say 50 yen is your change. So what you say? Gozu in wa anata no henka desu. So that is 50 yen is your change. Is that clear to you? So pen down these conversation. May I rub this? Yeah? Alright. And now, for example, you're asking, the shopkeeper asked you, would you like chopsticks? Would you like chopsticks? Because chopsticks is very common, so chopsticks is come when you are a beginner level. So the chopsticks you have to understand like what to say chopsticks in Japanese, because chopsticks is a very common thing. Would you like chopsticks? So what he will say, oh Hoshiwa, speak up. Would you like chopsticks? Oh Hoshiwa, ikaga desu ka? This one, ikaga desu ka? So for example, he asked you, would you like chopsticks? So what he will ask you in Japanese, oh Hoshiwa ikaga desu ka? So you say no thank you, I don't require chopsticks. No thank you. If you're saying no thank you, I don't require chopsticks, because a sandwich you can eat by your hand also, right? So what you will say, ie kyoko desu. What you will say, ie kyoko desu. It means no I don't require it. No thank you. So what you will say, ie koko desu. So if I asked you, like I already covered up the hiragana characters, what is ie? How you can write ie? Ie. Is that clear to you? Is that clear to you? So basically, if you're asking no thank you, so what you will say, ie keko desu. Ie keko desu is basically your no I don't read. So if shopkeeper asks to you, do we need bag? Do you need bag? Do you need bag? So what he will ask to you? He will ask baga. Let me pen down. Bag. Speak a bag. Ga. So he is asking to you, do you need bag? So what he will ask? Bag ka hitsuyo desu ka? Hitsuyo desu ka? So if the shopkeeper asks to you, do you need bag? Do you need bag? So what he will ask to you? Baga hitsuyo desu ka? Speak a baga hitsuyo desu ka? Baga hitsuyo desu ka is, do you need bag? Is it clear to you? So you will say, yes please, I need bag. Yes please. So yes please, hai onegai shimasu. Hai onegai shimasu. Is it clear to you? Hai onegai shimasu. Very simple. Is it clear to you? Then what you will say, arigato, thank you, sayonara, bye bye. Is that clear to you? Is that clear to you? So can we repeat the conversation one more time? For example, guys, you go to the market, you are in Japan, okay, and you go to the market, all right. In the market, you are asking like, you ask for a sandwich. Anata wa sandwichi motomemasu. So watashi wa kore ga hoshii. Speak up. Watashi wa kore ga hoshii. Then shopkeeper asks you, atatamemasu ka? You will say, hai onegai shimasu. Ikure desu ka? Then the shopkeeper will say, ni hyaku gozu. Then you ask, okay, 50 yen is your change. So what he will say, gozu wa anata no henka desu. Then he will say, oh hoshii wa ika desu ka? Ie keko desu. Baga hitsuyo desu ka? Hai onegai shimasu. Very simple. So basically this is the conversation, guys, okay, the conversation if you are in Japan. So I'm sure, guys, this conversation will help you. When in Japan you want to buy this, I want to buy this. Okay, what is the price of this? So this is the phrase. The common phrase is I have written over here. Ikra desu ka. Ikra desu ka is what is the price? Is that clear to you? So I hope guys this video will help you out in order to moving yourself in a Japan language, in a Japanese language. So if you're in Japan, watch this video, and I'm sure he will that will help you out in order to buy something in Japan. Okay. So arigato, thank you. I will come back with my next video that I would say a lot of characters will do in the next videos. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.